What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles daily live stream every single weekday right here at 9:45. Guys, wow. Okay, hang on. I'm doing this all over. I'll be right back. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles daily live stream every single weekday right here at 5:45 p.m. right after ATB. That was much better. I totally butchered that first intro. Sorry about that, guys. But what is going on? Thank you all for tuning in. We got about 155 people in here. Real quick, I just want to touch on chat. We have YOLO Baggins saying, can't believe how big Frankie's gotten in just a few months. I remember his first videos with just a few of us in chat. And then right below that, where was it? Yeah, remember when he could answer everyone's question? Now he's got to pick and choose because there are so many people, which is good. Shout out to James M. and YOLO Baggins. Yes, it seems like just yesterday we had like 6 people in chat, and now we get much more, which is a good thing. But I do wish I still try to get to everybody's messages, but obviously a little bit harder to do now than it was in the beginning. But we always do try to run through them. The mods try to pull the important ones to the front. So shout out to you guys. If you guys were there from day one, you guys remember the good old days, and these are the better days. But guys, thank you for tuning in. We have another great stream for you guys. We're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. We're going to be taking a look at some of the alts. What is going on? I'm going to update you on my trade that I'm in. Freaky price action, guys. Completely scammed out price action. Be careful out there. It's weird. It's weird trading out there. Be careful. I got not screwed over completely, but I'll show you guys. I'm going to let you guys know what I think. Are we going up? Are we going down? What the heck is this thing going to do? It just feels like nothing is happening except big drops, right? We get a big drop, and then we coil up, right? We consolidate, and then we're waiting for that big move the other way, and then we just dump again, right? Everybody's waiting for the relief. Are we going to get the relief? There's interesting stuff, guys. The higher time frames are looking pretty good, right? But now we got a confirmed blood diamond on the 4-hour, which is pretty bearish. If you guys watched my market watch video that I uploaded not too long ago, we got mixed signals. What is going to happen here? Are we going to get this big pump? Are we going to get another leg down? Are we going to get a fake out and then another leg down? I'm going to let you guys know what I think. I'm going to show you guys the levels that I am watching, and then, like I said, I'm going to update you on that trade that I'm in. And then we're going to take a look at something pretty interesting. We're not going to go too in depth on it, but I'm going to show you guys. Obviously, we did announce on Friday, I believe, that we're going to start using another indicator. We're not getting rid of Market Cipher. Don't get carried away now. Let me just move my microphone here. We're not getting rid of Market Cipher. Don't worry. We are Market Cipher to the core. But we're going to start involving another really, really powerful indicator into our TA, and we'll try to come up with some new strategies. I'm going to show you guys what it is, how I use it. They offer a lot of different custom settings and different overlays that you could put on your chart. And the really cool thing about this company is they offer a ton of free indicators that you guys can use, and we'll cover some of them. We'll look maybe we'll look at some of the. We'll look at some of the features today, but that'll be later in the stream. But with all that being said, guys, I appreciate every single one of you in here. 239 people tuned in right now. If you guys are new, make sure you smash that like button, because for every 100 likes you guys get a spin on the wheel of pain and pleasure, which is not even here anymore. We got a new temporary wheel. I'm going to build it tomorrow. We got a little temporary wheel we're going to bring on set. For every 100 likes you guys get a spin on the wheel. There's 2 spots for a giveaway on that wheel. We've been giving away a ton of stuff. I even showed you guys some embarrassing pictures. It's the wheel of pain and pleasure, right? Javit the barber, I see you, brother. What's going on? Thank you for being here. I showed you embarrassing pictures on Friday. It was horrific. Oh no, I'm getting a call from Captain Kirk. Oh no, what is the problem? Hello, Captain Kirk. Okay, hang on one second. Let me put you on speaker. Guys, the bat phone has rang. Captain Kirk, you are live on the air.
Okay, so did you hear about the Energizer Bunny getting arrested?
No, I did not.
Yeah, they charged him with battery.
See you later. Well, guys, sometimes the bat phone rings because we have no audio, and sometimes the bat phone rings because Captain Kirk has a hilarious joke. I've actually never heard that one. I'm surprised. I feel like that's got to be a joke that's been around for a while. But that was good. Shout out to Captain Kirk. Your jokes are better than my raps are. I will say that. They're better than my jokes, too. Shout out to Captain Kirk. Guys, without further ado, I don't want to waste any more time. Let's go ahead and say what's up to chat and then jump right into the charts. I see chat going absolutely nuts. Oh, also, guys, don't forget, Wednesday, we will be having Evan Aldo on the channel, so be looking forward to that. Evan Aldo, guys, if you have not already checked out Evan Aldo, go check out his YouTube channel. The mods will link it in chat here. Go check him out. He's an awesome trader. He does great analysis on the crypto markets. I think he covers some stocks and stuff too sometimes, so if you guys are into that, definitely go check out his channel. He's got a lot of good stuff to offer. Go give him a follow. Go give him a like. Let him know the CandleMafia sent you. But we're going to have him on Wednesday on the live stream. We're going to get into his head, see what he's thinking. Another big Market Cipher guy. But we're gonna see what he's thinking. If he thinks, do we kind of think the same thing? Does he think something completely different? Does he think we're going to all-time highs? But yeah, we're going to check in with Evan Aldo on Wednesday, so look forward to that special guest on Wednesday. But let's say what's up to chat before jumping in here. Lane Hughes, as always, what is going on, man? Thank you for being here. Cal's World says, thanks, Frankie. We'll start trading soon. Watching as much of your tutorials as possible every day. Cal's World, I appreciate you, man. Thank you for being here. Justin Thomas says, Franklin the Turtle. And then Justin Thomas also says, you have weak, tiny calves. I think I'm getting trolled into showing my calves on camera here. Oh, I guess, yeah, everybody jokes about my calves on the morning stream, too. I was going to say maybe I know this guy, but maybe not. Maybe it's just from the morning stream. Yes, I am known to have the weakest of all calves. I'm just kidding, guys. I actually get trolled because I have abnormally large calves. I don't know. I do a lot of calf raises. Sometimes you might just catch me, like, I might go live one day, and you guys will just catch me facing this way, just doing some calf raises right before we go live. I mean, who knows? Shout out to Justin Thomas. Thank you for being here, brother. I appreciate you. YOLO Baggins, what's up? OG from back in the day. What is going on, brother? Thank you for being here. Bubba's Crypto, what is up? Alex, Lucho, Boondock, what is going on? We might be in for a bloody night. I hope so. That delay on me doing the calf raises just got me laughing. V Slim says, hola, what is going on, V Slim? Thank you for being back here, man. Always love seeing you in chat. Part-time chemist, get that sauce, baby. I got it. I'm stirring it. I'm getting ready to throw it on you. I hope you guys brought your ponchos and your bowl of macaroni. Mas Nukas, what is going on? Always happy to see you here. Crypto Billy, what is going on? Thank you for being here, man. We love you, Crypto Billy. You are the absolute man. I want to apologize for the Discord messages, guys. I am so behind on my Discord messages. I will get back to you. As you guys know, I did want to take the weekend off. I got maybe a little overworked last week, so I just wanted to take the week. I still was in Discord. Everyone was yelling at me. I think Tyler blocked me from the Discord to try to get me to not do TA for a whole 2 days. So shout out to Tyler for looking out for me. I appreciate you, brother. But I did take the weekend off, so but we are back in full swing, guys. Live streams, back to regular schedule. Pre-records, back to regular schedule. We will have 2 pre-recorded videos today. We already got 1 market update out today, so we're hitting it. We're hitting the ground running here this week. Back to the normal schedule. Lou, what is going on? Says, Frankie, what part of Long Island are you from? I am from the Northport, East Northport area. Colmac, Huntington. Some buzzwords for you. Let me know where you're at. If you're on Long Island, let me know where you're at. Let's see. Who else we got? Let's run through a couple more before jumping right into the charts. Doc Holiday, what is going on? Hey, made 3% on a scalp long, just closed. Let's go, Doc. Hey, 3% is 3%. Everybody smile when Frankie does calf raises. He actually pushes the ground down. Oh, you guys are good. I can't confirm nor deny that. Big calves equals binging and bonging. Matt Lane, what's going on? MB, you're new here. Welcome to the family, man. You are part of the family, the Candle Mafia, where I, Frankie Candles, show you how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. Believe it or not, you can make money in both directions. So stick around and make some money with us. Hit that subscribe button, my man. Let's see, Daddy Zach, MB, what is going on? We just said hi to you. Connor, what's going on? Jonathan Schaefer says, how is the elbow from the fall back in the day? I actually got a loose piece of bone in here now from that fall. So a little souvenir that I kept from an early stream. So when we hit 1 million subscribers, we're going to have that little bone fragment removed from my elbow, and we're going to be giving it away live on the channel. So stick around for that. I don't know where I come up with this stuff, guys. Anyway, Crypto Recon, what's going on? I have officially opened and closed my first trade. Thank you, Frankie. Crypto Recon, let's go. Out there doing some recon on the charts and making that money. Let's go, man. Congratulations. One of many. It was just your first of many, man. If you got any questions, hit me up on Discord. I will try to help you out to the best of my ability. And then Daddy Zach, Ryan, Crypto Carl, what is going on? I would have guessed Dix Hills. Crypto Carl, I used to live in Dix Hills. This is crazy to see some random person talking about what was once my hometown in this random chat on the internet. Yes, I used to live in Dix Hills. I used to live on Dolce Lane, 10 Dolce Lane to be exact. I don't live there anymore, so don't. That's why I don't mind giving that away. Anyway, Alex Green, what is going on? Paulie Satoshi, what is up? We're going to get a couple more out of here. Let's see. Moki, JV, Bilal Ali, everybody smile, Jordan, and Tony D, Crypto Anon, Captain Kirk, and Tyler Durden, the best mods on YouTube. Thank you guys for all you do. Thank you all for tuned in. And I'm going to give you what you want now. Let's go take a look at the charts. All right, and this is not not what we want. Give me 1 second, guys. I gotta hook up the laptop here. Boom. Hey, what kind of stream would it be, guys, if we didn't have technical difficulties, right? So let's see. Hopefully I can get this hooked up now. Come on, here we go. All right. I think. Unbelievable. All right. Come on, baby. Come on, computer. You can do it. I know you can. I know you can. Connect. Connect. Come on. All right. Let's see. All right. All right, give me a second here, guys. Just, nothing ever works the first time. That is for sure. Come on. All right. Are we gonna work? Come on. No, okay, it doesn't want to work. Bear with me, ladies and gentlemen. Bear with me. All right. Let's see. We can't connect the screen. We can't look at the charts, guys. Don't sweat it, man. Technical stuff happens. Smash the like button in the meantime. That is right. Yes, definitely smash that like button in the meantime, guys. Greatly appreciated. And hey, I'm not only doing TA, I'm also doing IT. Not only TA, but IT, guys. Who else does that? If you guys are looking to connect a laptop to a live streaming software, I recommend you hardline it to make it more reliable. As you can see, my system is absolutely reliable. All right, let's see. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. All right. Here we go. Come on. All right. It looks like there's a blood diamond on the 30-minute Bitcoin chart. Ooh, baby, that is juicy. All right. This is oh, there we go. All right, we're live, guys. We're back. I don't know what's wrong with the technical difficulties. There's literally something goes wrong every single day. But without further ado, guys, thank you for sticking around. Let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Finally, here's my little window that never wants to work. Let's go ahead and minimize that. So here we are, guys, back on the chart. Finally, Tyler Jordan, I'll support you. I'm English. We are experts at it. Reboot, Frankie. Shout out to Lou. I appreciate it. FOMO Sapien says bing bong with the bagel emoji. Gotta love that. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look here. I'm going to start over on the 4-day. If you guys watched my market update, you will kind of have an idea of already what I'm thinking. But let's check that 30-minute blood diamond that somebody said. Ooh, no 30-minute blood diamond on my chart. One back here, but it could be on if you're on a different exchange, it may be popping up. But I want to take a look at this, guys. On the 4-day, we are printing a green dot on Market Cipher, right? Not confirmed, but we are printing. Is bullish, right? Now, we did have one on the 5-day as well, but I think it disappeared. Yeah, it's not there anymore, so that's unprinted. Nonetheless, though, we do have the 4-day green dot, so that is pretty bullish to indicate at least somewhat of a bottom here. Looking at the 3-day, obviously confirmed green dot. Daily money flow starting to curve back down here. VWAP starting to curve down here. So you want to keep that in mind, right? That VWAP could cross over and create a red dot on the momentum wave here, and we could come down a little bit more. But, you know, we're not quite there yet, but something to keep an eye on, right? Because if you're looking to go into a long, you're not going to want to do it as the daily's printing a red dot, right? So you just want to keep that in the back of your head. Now, let's just cut to the chase here. 4-hour confirmed blood diamond, right? There it is in all of its glory. 3 candles in, confirmed. right here. Now, pretty bearish sign here, guys. Now, obviously, in my market update, I did talk about how these do typically bring us down about 5 to 6% on the 4 hour, right? 6% there. This one was 6%, I believe, as well. So between, I think this one was about 5 or 6% as well. Let's see. Come on with this mouse. So it comes down, about 5%, right? So if we decided, if we wanted to see this play out in the same way, 5% would bring us, wow, good golly gosh, guys. Good golly gosh. Okay, so 5% would bring us, coincidentally, conveniently right down to this spider line right here at about 20,140. Now, one thing I do want to bring up, right, if we do see this play out to 5%, that would bring us right down that spider line, which would make a lot of sense. However, I'm getting grilled, guys. We have BJ. So we have technical difficulties, and BJ can sense it. BJ just senses it, and he comes to save the day. And
Okay, Frank.
BJ, you entered the room, and it just started working.
Oh, I farted.
Oh, there you go. BJ farts. Computer connects.
Yeah, the methane connects.
Okay. Very
Access an anode. Yeah.
Gotcha.
I'll
Okay.
look that up, maybe.
The methane is conductive, according to BJ. Thank you for blessing us with your
That's not
presence,
true
BJ.
science. I made it up.
Oh, he said it's false information, fake science. But shout out to BJ. But guys, yeah, if we see this play out to another 5%, it is going to bring us down to the spider line. Now, something I want to bring to your attention here is, on the 3 hour, right? We also have that confirmed blood diamond on the 3 hour. I'm sorry if this is repetitive to anybody who watched the market watch, but I just want to cover it for those who didn't see that. These can bring you down about 20%. Now, if you come down 20%, it's going to, again, conveniently bring you right down near another spider line right here. Now, it's a little above this spider line, so it would be more about, 16,950 rather. But the spider line does come in at about 16,700, right? So if we see it play out like it does on the 4 hour, we might just be down for a little bit of a ride. A little bit of a ride from here to here, this spider line. But if it plays out like they did, like the last one on the 3 hour, we could be coming down, closer to get a, we could be getting a much bigger dump than than it would show up on the 4 hour. Now, to talk about my trade, guys, this it's scammy price action, guys. So if you guys saw the video, I was talking about a trade that I entered based off of this little mini bear type, little kind of like a bear flag here. So you have price come in, right, as a typical bear flag does. You come down, you bing bong, you bing bong, you bing bong, you bing bong, you break down, and you retest, right? I did not enter on the breakout or the breakdown. I waited for the retest. Come up to a, you can probably get this to show up pretty cleanly here on the 5 minute. Come on. Technology is after me, guys, I swear. But here you go, right? You were expecting this retest right here. This is essentially, around here is where I entered. This was kind of what signaled me to enter, right? Confirmation, confirmed blood diamond on the 4 hour. That was my first confirmation. Bear flag, another bearish signal, right? And then we broke down, we bearishly retested. That was my entry. And then we also had money flow coming out aggressively on the 15 minute. So these are some things that got me into this trade. Now, in that video, you guys will know I was saying, we were kind of just hanging out over here. And I was like, typically, when you get that bearish retest, you will come down. I am hoping to see price come down to this level so I could take some profit. And then I finished recording the video, guys, and I put the footage into Premiere to edit it to get it out to you guys. And before this is my problem. This was my fault. I didn't have my take profit set like I usually do. And as I was setting up my Premiere, right, price just scam wicked down there. I would have got my take profit perfectly, but I just didn't have my level set. So I'm still in the trade. And then I took this wild ride up here, and now I'm, maybe we're on our way back down. We'll take a closer look in a second. But there you go. There's your importance of setting your take profit before walking away from the chart, because you never know. My TA worked out exactly as I wanted it to, came right down to my level, and it just, nothing happened. I didn't have to take profit set. So let that be a lesson to you guys. Learn from my mistakes. Don't walk away from the computer or even switch windows without having your levels set, because you can miss your take profits, as I did right there. So now we're on a little bit more of a ride, but we do have that confirmed blood diamond on the 4 hours, so it is making me feel a little bit decent. Got this little 3-minute blood diamond as you were falling down here, but gonna hold this trade. Hopefully we can come back down here pretty soon and grab some profit. I now have my take profit set, so we are good to go. I'm only down about $4 on the trade right now, so down about like less than 1%. So not too bad. Yeah, moving on. Some levels that I am keeping my eye on, guys. You will notice here, I do have something here called Lux Support. That is the new indicator, guys. Lux Algo is this new indicator that we've been using. I mean, hey, the levels are respected, right? They called this as a level of resistance, and it's clearly pretty accurate thus far. So there you go. So next levels, right? This level is at about 20,900, almost even. Resistance above you, and then below you here we do have 20,562 as some local support, right? You do have another level right here at about 20,439 as another level, and then you do have your spider line down here at about 20,200, we'll call it, right? And then up here, this level above, this level right here is a point of control, so probably going to be a pretty important area. So keep an eye on that. But these are basically the levels that I'm watching, guys. Like I said, got scammed out of my take profit there. But these are the levels I'm watching. Now, if we come to the 1 hour, another bearish puzzle piece here on top of the 4 hour blood diamond, on top of the 3 hour blood diamond, on top of the 15-minute money flow crossover, lower time frames, money flow coming out, as you can see, crossovers into the red. On top of all this, you do have a 1 hour money flow crossover into the red as you're about to print a red dot on the market cipher B right here. So feeling a little bearish. I do feel pretty comfortable holding this short for at least a little bit, and we'll see what happens. Maybe we'll have some developments during the live stream. I am just getting blown up all over the place. People calling me, people texting me. It's unbelievable, guys. Crazy day. Yo, Frankie, glad I made it. Happy days. You think we could be dropping to 14K-ish? I do think that is in the cards, guys. Now, longer term, let's take a look at it. Let's see. So 14K, right? As you guys probably notice here, we are on a new chart. We are finally on our own individual account with Market Cipher and Lux Algo, both integrated into this TradingView account. Candles are blue and purple. This is my personal account, guys. Now we have our own. We won't have anybody deleting our lines or anything like that. So here we are. You bear with me as I am still trying to get some of these charts updated to our levels that we had last time. And speaking of the levels that we had last time, I do want to bring up our old chart here as we are... As you guys know, we were looking at this local golden pocket here for a possible bounce down. And as you can see, we drew this on Friday, I believe. Yeah, I think that was Friday. We drew this line. Obviously, didn't happen right then, but we have now come down to this local golden pocket, and we're getting that bounce, right? I said I was looking for long positions at this area. And that is exactly what we saw. Obviously, timing was off, but this was more of just, we weren't trying to time it. I was just saying that we were going to come down. Boom, we hit it, beautiful, and then we're bouncing off, right? So, and now we're coming down for a second touch. Now, I was looking for long positions here originally, but now with that 4 hour blood diamond, I did not enter a long position down here just because of the way the market looks now. And now I'm in a short. So now I'm rooting for it to go down. But it is nice that we called this level and we are seeing exactly what we wanted to. But again, because of the 4 hour blood diamond, because of the 3 hour blood diamond, because of the money flow coming out on those lower time frames, it's pretty clear that we could possibly come down a little bit more here. So I did not take my position. I'm going to sit out on it. With a 4 hour blood diamond, I'm not looking for, swing longs. So Let's go ahead and check on our chat before moving forward here. But yeah, guys, we're going to phase out these charts. I have them up today because I know there are some levels that we've been watching. But we're going to start phasing away from this TradingView account and start going on to our personal account. Yeah, look at that beautiful bounce off our value area low there as well. But we are going to start transitioning to this chart. So let's see. I got stopped out by BTC, $4, lol. So scammy the last few days. Yeah. If you guys are trading, be careful. The price action has been difficult lately. As you can see, guys, I got scammed, right? Be careful out there. Right, like typically this is a pretty safe trade, especially with all the confirmations that I have. Yeah, look, yeah, it's scammy, guys. This is a perfect example of it being scammy. This is scammy. This is so scammy. Yeah, I mean, you just kind of go sideways, was expecting a drop, but you got an immediate drop down, and then immediate pump up, and then you got a big little drop, and then you trickled up, and then you trickled down, and then boom, mega candles up. Sketchy price action, guys. Be careful out there trading. This is very wonky price action, so be careful. You know, trades are going nuts right now. Let's see. Nate says, Frankie Candles, what's up, my man? You spitting the truth today, as usual. Hey, Nate, I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you. Guys, also, do want to point this out. We have YouTube analytics. I have insight into all of my analytics, right? As I analyze the Bitcoin chart, I also analyze my YouTube charts. We have a pretty good subscriber percentage. I think it's like 75% of people watching are subscribed or something crazy like that. But there's 25% of you that are not subscribed. I don't know if you're not logged into YouTube or what the deal might be. But guys, if you're one of those 25%, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the CandleMafia. We are creeping to 20K. Absolutely creeping up on 20K. So hit that subscribe button. And Scam City Lane says, hit the subscribe button and join the CandleMafia. And let's get this paper, get the bagels, get the baguettes, whatever you want to call it. But let's get rid of this scammy price action. Please, this is annoying. Anyway, we pumping live, boys. Let's go. Jordan, shout out to you, man. Let's see. I got wicked out of Ape, but had a BTC short. I closed out in profit. Price action is sketchy indeed. Yeah, I mean, there you go. Testimonials here of the scammy price action. Going to wait for sure now. Daddy Zach, don't use high leverage. Yeah, guys, keep it on low leverage. Brian says, hey, Frankie, thanks to you, my 3K is now 38.30. I'm going to pull some more profits. I'd rather miss a trade then give my money away. Brian, louder for the people in the back. Shout out to you, Brian. Congratulations on your winning trade, man, or your winning trades. Glad I was able to play a part in that, man. We love those comments here, absolutely. So shout out to you, man. I appreciate you. Sorry for being late, Frankie. Job and kids over here. No problem, Kelvin. We're just happy you're here. We're just happy you showed up, dude. We were waiting for you. Chemistry, bro. What's up, man? Frankie, you not seeing the bearish retest of the ascending wedge on BTC. We could take a look at that, Chemistry Bro. Also, I will message you on Discord. I still have not forgotten. Don't worry. My life is hectic. But yeah, ascending wedge on BTC. Yeah, we could take a look at that. Let's see. Put shame on 25% until they're subbed. Shout out to Masnokas. Justin says, I use 125 leverage, 125x leverage. I enjoy pain and misery. Hey, whatever you like. I mean, hey, different strokes for different folks. Whatever you're into, man. Let's go. Shout out to Justin. Frank says, Frankie, have you heard of the free indicator Fu Manchu, Cypher A, and B on TradingView? Are they comparable to what you use? Frank, first of all, I want to say I love your name. Very nice name. Also, so Fu Manchu, I know what you're talking about. It is not the same. It is similar. It is very, very similar. The money flow is not as accurate. A lot of the market cipher A indications are not accurate. Now, that is not to say that it is a useless indicator. I am not saying that you cannot use it. It's useless. Not at all. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying it's not exactly the same as market cipher. The money flow is a little different, and the signals on market cipher A vary too. A lot of times I have people saying, oh, there's a blood diamond on the 4 hours, blood diamond on the 3 hours, blood diamond on the 15-minute, whatever, and then I go check it, and there's nothing there, and then I find out that they're using Fu Manchu. So it is a little bit different. but doesn't mean it's useless at all. You know, I know a lot of people that use it. I've looked at it in the past. It's a usable indicator. It's not garbage by any means, but it is not the same as Market Cipher. Completely different. Not completely. It's a wannabe Market Cipher. I'll say that, and you could use it if, because I understand not everybody has the money to fork up for Market Cipher. I know it's expensive. So I would say if you have the money, it is 100% worth it to switch to the legitimate Market Cipher. 100% worth it. But I mean, if it is literally the only thing you have to work with, it's not useless. So I'll say that. Hopefully that wasn't too back and forth. Anyway, yo, sup, Frankie? Would love to hear your thoughts on my altcoin market cap post in Discord. You reacted to 200 weekly SMA. And yeah, BTC. Hey, Lunar Beaches Crypto. What is your name in Discord? Are you David? Is that your name? BTC and ETH dominance dropping. Yes. Altcoin market cap in Discord. You reacted to 200. Yeah, I do remember reacting to that. Yeah, we can talk about that today. Let's see. Thank you, Hero. Appreciate you. How's Lux Algo to Frank? Have you seen the trend catcher and EQ cloud? Did give you a message on Discord how I use it? Personally, been using it for a while. Oh, Lane Hughes, you're a Lux Algo guy. Let's go. Shout out to Lane. We love having you in here, man. So yeah, the thing I've really been messing with. All right, thank you for that, Lane. I'm gonna cover Ethereum. We'll cover like we'll cover XRP, Cardano. We'll cover the big alts and the DXY, the SPY. We'll cover just our main TA that we do, and then I'm gonna go back and we'll take a look at Lux Algo, and I'll show you guys kind of what I've been messing with. How about that? Ryan says, when you reckon we will be diving into the depths of the bottom? Saw Ben's video saying it's around mid to late November. You reckon? Yes, I would say, listen, I do have on this chart, I believe, I have a whole thing. Let me see. Is it this one? I think it is. Yeah, no, it's not this one. It is. So I'll show you guys this. We're not going to go into it right now, but I'll show you what I have here, right? So I have this stuff here. We are dropping. Bitcoin is currently dumping. Not dumping. But, okay, is this it? Is this it? Yes, okay, so this is it. All right, so, yeah, I'm going to show you guys this. Now, I do have this chart that has all these call outs, right? I have marked, I'm going to organize it better before I fully show you guys, but I have fully marked, right, different all-time highs, lengths between the tops and the bottoms, how long the bottoms were, the distance between all-time highs to all-time highs. I measured everything. To go back and do a deep dive, I marked out all the halvings with these white lines, and I have a predicted bottom, possible bottom, November. Yeah, so I made this for one of Ben's videos. I don't know if it's the same video you're talking about, but right now, just based off of my chart here, possible bottom, November 27th, 2022 is where I have it. But maybe in a video, I'm going to dive deep on this in a video, a pre-recorded video, or maybe even on a live stream, or I'll do the pre-recorded video and then touch on it on a live stream, kind of showing you guys where based off of history, where we could possibly expect a bottom, right? So I will show you guys that, but I do have this chart all hooked up and ready to go. But we're going to get rid of that stuff while we continue our analysis here. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum because it is looking a little bit different than Bitcoin. Now, and you guys will notice that my RSI is gone, and also my Market Cipher A, I took off everything except for the yellow X's and the blood diamonds temporarily. I did it for the pre-recorded video just because it made it easier for me to look at. But I want to show you guys something. 5-day on Ethereum is still printing that green dot, has not disappeared. We've seen ETH in the recent past kind of lead the charge on these signals, these bullish signals, right? Yeah, the daily bullish divergence on the daily time frame confirm on ETH before it was even printing on Bitcoin, right? Now we're printing this 5-day green dot on Ethereum. It's disappeared on Bitcoin, right? So no bullish divergence here, but you are printing that 5-day green dot. So that is a good sign, right? A little more bullish looking than Bitcoin. 4-day confirmed green dot, right? Also, so this is confirmed. It's only printing on Bitcoin. So again, Ethereum kind of leading the charge here. little 4-day green candle. Looks like it wants to turn over a little bit. Daily, kind of in a similar situation than Bitcoin, not too different. Looks like this daily bullish divergence was lackluster, guys. You know, unless we get more support on the 0 line and come back up, this looks like it could possibly just roll right over. 4 hour, no blood diamond on the 4 hour, guys, right? Again, like I said, looking a little bit better than Bitcoin. Now, 3 hour, still, I mean, you have a blood diamond all the way back here, but that's a while ago. No blood diamond on the 3 hour, 2 hour. Your 1 hour, you did print a blood diamond yesterday. But, you know, just all in all, looking a lot better than Bitcoin. Ethereum is looking a little, like it's in a little bit of better shape than Bitcoin with no blood diamond on the 4 hour. But again, scammy price action lately, guys, so be careful. But yeah, I would say that 5-day green dot is bullish. The 4-day confirmed green dot is bullish. You also do have your 2-day bullish divergence, which actually looks like, you know, maybe it's going to play out. But again, be very careful. Your money flow is starting to come up on the 2-day. Now, levels for Ethereum. Let's dig in here. Some levels for Ethereum. I did put this in the Discord. These are kind of the levels that I'm watching right here. We do have a level down here, 1172. And I'm just going to pull up my VPVR right here. So, yeah. Beautiful. Right here, yeah. 1191, probably going to be that next level of support. You do have your value area low, this blue line right here. But underneath that, 1191, we have caught support on 1179 as well. Let's pull some volume. Let's pull some volume on this thing. We'll go from here to here. Boom. Where is our value area low and our value area high? For anybody who uses the fixed range volume profile and you want your value area low and high to automatically draw lines like it does with the point of control, you come to your double click on your volume profile, come to style, scroll down, value area high, value area low, excuse me, check them off, and there you go. It brings them up automatically here. So, yeah, right now, kind of getting above that value area high, could get sucked closer towards this point of control at about 1232 before possibly getting rejected down. But we are right now hitting a level of resistance here, so we could reject here. But as you guys know, you know, if you get above this value area high, once you come out into these unshaded candles, it is likely that you get sucked back up towards that white line of point of control. So this is to the upside, I would watch 1232 as a target. To the downside, I would watch, you know, I would watch 1191 if we do come down. And it might happen, you know, it might happen as we're live, right? We might see these moves happen while we're live because the price action is getting kind of sketchy. But there's some levels. If you guys want to screenshot that or something, I could try to share this in the Discord so you guys have my levels. But there you go. You know, feeling a little more bullish on Ethereum rather than Bitcoin, because you can see here we're not getting the money flow crossover on the 1 hour like we are on Bitcoin. We don't have the 4 hour blood diamond. We don't have the 3 hour blood diamond, but you do have money flow coming out. So you want to remember that. Let's see. That one is a paid indicator, right? So Lux Algo is a paid indicator. Market Cipher is definitely a paid indicator. Lux Algo is also paid. I don't have Lux Algo on right now. I'm going to show it to you guys in a little bit here. But it is paid. But they also have like 50 plus free indicators that are very, very, very interesting that you can check out. And I'll show you guys how you can check those out in just a minute. That can't be real. Tyler Ramos, that's making beats. He don't even have a pick. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Let's see. Sent a pic on Discord of the bearish retest, by the way, in case you wanted to just quickly check instead of trying to find it on the chart. It's very clear to me. Okay, interesting. Yeah, chemistry, bro. I'll take a look at that in a second. Hey, Frankie, love the content. What do you think about LRC? We'll take, Elout, we will take a look at the alts in a little bit here. Typically, we do it on the second half of the stream. I'll take a look at some of the altcoins. So right now, we're going to go over our typical TA that we usually do, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ADA. I do the big alts, right? Then I'm going to show you the new indicator. Then I'm going to start doing some altcoin requests, and we'll take a look at LRC for sure. Okay, let's see if we can pull up. Let's see if we can pull up our Let's see, chemistry bro, where you at? Where you at? There he is. Bada boom. Thank you for that. Trading view chart. Let me see here. Okay, so you are on the 4 hour. Okay, beautiful. That makes life so much easier. So he is talking about this right here. Boom. There you go. So this is the, I'm just going to get rid of these arrows because it's OCD, guys. OCD. I'm sorry. I am so sorry, but we have to get rid of these because it's going to drive me nuts. Here you go. Rising wedge, right? Very, very, very good, good call, Chemistry Bro. I appreciate you for pointing this out. Typically, you typically see these break out to the downside, right? Similar to a bear flag, you will see these rise up, and then finally you get a crash down. This is ETH, right? But it's obviously most likely, I think he's talking about Bitcoin. There you go. Is it? Yep. Boom. Boom. Come on. Boom. Boom. There you go. We could change it to regular candles too, make it a little better. It depends on how you want to draw it. You could probably draw it either way. But essentially, guys, when you see these things kind of happen, am I looking at the right thing? I think I am. Yeah. Yeah, this is, I guess you could draw this a little higher. Boom. There you go. But yeah, typically when you see these ascending wedges, guys, they do break to the downside, especially when you're printing the blood diamond here, right? A lot of times, even the bear flags, right? Typically, right, I'm just going to kind of draw this just to show you guys an example of how this stuff typically works. Let me go back to Heikenashi's. So, right, even here, right, I know it's not the prettiest bear flag, but this is essentially, I mean, this is a bear flag. I consider this a bear flag, right? Especially because it played out exactly how bear flags play out. It's not the prettiest one, right? You know, it's not just like perfectly bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, right? You got a little fake out here. It's a little ugly, but you did continue to the downside, right? So, and a lot of times, right, you'll go all the way to the end, and then at the end of the pattern, you will start printing a yellow X, a blood diamond, something like that, before you just start pouring out, right? This is kind of looking like the same thing, right? You come down, right? You start consolidating up, boom, 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 boom. You print that blood diamond, and then boom, you come down, right? So definitely likely, definitely possible for that to happen. So you can keep an eye on that, right? Again, you know, ascending wedges typically do break down, right? So another bearish puzzle piece, and then you do have the confirmed blood diamond right here to kind of give you that extra confidence that you could come down. So shout out to Chemistry Bro for pointing that out, man, and thank you for sending me that on Discord so I could easily find it. Rob the Crypto Snob says, Frankie Candles, hey boss, are you going to announce my Discord promotion on the live stream by any chance? Rob, I guess I guess you want me to announce it is kind of the vibe I'm getting. So yes. Yeah, so you guys put like legit like mafia Italian, yeah. How do you say that word? I don't even know how to say. I'm Italian. I don't know how to say that word. Yeah, Lescatori. I probably should know this word, to be honest. I probably do know it. I'm just not a good reader. But yeah. Oh wow, wait, this happened recently. I thought you guys were, okay, all right, so we moved these around a little bit. Okay, I like it. Yeah, so for anybody who is, let me just get onto, like, the trading Discord so I don't give away anyone's private conversations here. Guys, on the Discord, if you're not in the Discord, I don't know what you guys are doing. We're putting all my TA in there. We have great people in there putting their awesome TA. Some people putting trade calls in there that people are absolutely loving. Shout out to Ash Consigliere. But we did add this new kind of structure here. The boss, Tony D, the underboss. Yeah, Lescator. I don't know how to say this. But Rob the Crypto Snob, shout out to you. And then Tyler up there as well. And then we got people who help out with the Discord a lot. You know, these are some people that boost the server and stuff. We appreciate them. Ash Consigliere out there putting some amazing amazing TA in the trading channel right here. I know everybody's loving Ash's TA, so shout out to you. We made him consigliere. You deserve it, Ash. Shout out to you, man. Hope you're watching this. And then we got the capos, right? We got the capos. Crypto Lifer up in here. Yeah, we got to add a bunch of other people. Fought. Yeah, we love Fought. Let's see. Yeah, we got Tom Crown up in here. We got to get Evan Aldo and everybody in here as well. And then, yeah, we got all different ones. Yeah, guys, we're making the Discord super dope. So shout out to everybody in the Discord. We're putting great TA for anybody else. For anybody who doesn't know, right, you come over to here, Frankie BTC TA. I put my TA in here just to give you guys an idea of what we offer on this Discord. You know, I come in here, hey, well, I guess this was more. This morning, I said, looks like we were unable to crack that spider line at 21,763. Right now, we have confirmed bearish divergence on the 4-hour, the blood diamond, blah, blah, blah. I give you guys my charts. I give you guys my TA. I'll let you know where I think price is going, and more often than not, we do see it play out. And then you can see here, I said if you refer back to our post on Friday, here you go. Put this out on Friday. Said we were looking for to come down and test this local golden pocket, and then come to today, boom, we came down, test the golden pocket. So we're putting some good TA in there, absolutely free. You do not have to pay for this. I put my calls out there completely free of charge. We don't charge a dang thing. We just ask that you be nice. It's the only thing. And hey, you never know. Maybe we'll make you a capo or consigliere. But yeah, super cool. And then real quick, while we're here, why not go to the winners wall and let's check out our winners. We have not done this in forever. So let's go ahead and let's read off some of these. This is just today. Rob the Crypto Snob, first take profit hit on the next three. On to the next three, 13%. Let's go on a BTC short. Let's get it. Rob the Crypto Snob. Congratulations, bro. Absolutely crushing it. J-Rod 420 today at 12:54 p.m. 107%. Let's go. Is that on Doge? Let's get it. And then another 183%. Let's go. Oh, he's got another one on here. What's this one? 300%. Absolutely killing it, bro. 32% for Majin Crypto. 30% for Spud or Alex Green. Let's go on an ETH short. And MacD8787, 5% on a Bitcoin short. So this is just our winners wall where, you know, people can post their wins or your losses. I guess you could post in here too. But look, I mean, hey, we only like the wins. Oh no! Oh no! What is this? What is this? Who did this? Who did this to me? No. Yeah, guys, that was me during the pandemic. Got a little bored with the hair. And that is no gel or anything. That is, I just have thick toothbrush bristle hair that stays, it's like troll hair. So that was just literally me going like that with my hair. It just stayed like that. So there you go, guys. Horrifying picture. Shout out to David B. Always a winner. So you're posting it as a win. David, shout out to you, bro. I appreciate you, man. 268% for Ricky. But there you go, guys. That's the Discord. Lots of fun stuff going on there. Get on this winners wall. Jump in the Discord. Learn about trading and jump onto this winners wall because everybody's out there making money. Don't miss out. Shout out to you guys. I was ranked on the screen. Simon, I'm lost. I'm sorry. Without bragging, I'll be watching over the Frankie Candles Discord channel as a moderator. So behave, because my rule is ruthless. Let's go, Rob the Crypto Snob. I appreciate you. Okay, guys, let us go ahead and move on to some of this alt TA. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's move on to XRP. Boom. So let's go to the daily. What are we doing here? Boom. On to the daily, money flow moving up. Let's check the 4-day for these green dots. Yeah, I mean, looking a little different on XRP. Let's check 2-day bullish div. Yes, 2-day bullish div confirmed. Pretty bullish indication going over to the daily. Money flow coming up on the daily, not looking horrible. And for anybody wondering why I cover, yeah. Also, guys, I mean, I don't know if you've been watching XRP, but XRP did get a pretty nice pump recently. Up about 34%. I mean, obviously, we're at 35 cents. So, nothing too crazy. But, I mean, in a bear market, it's nice to see some blue candles or green candles. But, yeah. So, 4-hour, no blood diamond. Yeah, the alts are looking a little bit better than Bitcoin. I'm not going to lie here. Money flow is coming out on these lower time frames, though. 1 hour, you did get a blood diamond a little while ago. But you did come down a little bit. Money flow crossover into the red on the 1 hour, a little more bearish looking. 15-minute in the red. Money flow starting to come back up, though. I would say Bitcoin looks the worst out of everything right now so far. ETH looking better. XRP looking a little better than Bitcoin. Let's check on Cardano real quick. I'm lost. This is a different trading view. That's why there it is. Drag this up to our most looked at coins here. Boom, hide this. Okay, so for Cardano, let's check the 4-day. Ooh, this is old. This is an old chart. Wowee. All right. Jeez. Okay, let's see. 4-day bullish divergence confirmed. Is this true? Is this true? Yeah. Yeah. No. Never. Yes. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Bullish divergence on the 4-day for Cardano. Not looking too bad. Probably on the 3-day as well, and the 2-day, obviously. Wow. 2-day blood diamond there. Looking at the daily money flow coming up. VWAP coming down on the daily. Let's look at the 4-hour. You do have the blood diamond on Cardano on the 4-hour, so that isn't looking the best. You probably have the 1-hour money flow crossover. You do. As you can see right there, starting to come up, but that VWAP's probably going to come down again and drag it deeper into the red, if I had to guess. I mean, this is bearish. 4-hour blood diamond is pretty bearish. This one, probably similar to Bitcoin. How much did this one bring you down? This one brought you down about 9%. This one didn't really play out that much at all, but it was kind of foreshadowing this bigger move, right? So the blood diamond only brought you down about 3.5%. But you got this scam pump, which is similar to what we're seeing right now. You get this weird little scam pump, and then you dump down like 50%. So, on Bitcoin, it was on the lower time frames, did look a little more, the blood diamond and then a weird scam pump. So, ADA with the 4-hour blood diamond is looking a little bit more bearish. But again, it is so scammy out there. Be careful. All right, let's see. Frankie Candles, or I can share the clip of you muting that sneeze. Permission to post the video of me blasting you with my modded in the OG chat. Let me see it first. Let me watch it first. I know you sent it to me. Let me watch it, and then you can send it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, God, the OG chat. Seeing something pretty scary on the Tether dominance chart on the 4-hour, finding support on our last local high, probably coming up, bringing BTC down hard. Let's take a look at USDT dominance, and then I'll take a look at Lux Algo with you guys, and I'll kind of show you the basics for starters here. Okay, so yeah. So what are you saying? 4-hour finding support on our last local high. Yeah. I see you, Lane. I see it. Now the question is, do you draw it to this body of the candle and this wick, or do you draw it to this body of the candle and consider this a fake out? I'm going to go ahead. Yeah, if you draw it to the bodies of this candle or even the wicks of this candle, I mean, it is, yeah, we are pretty much holding this as support. Let's check market cipher. Money flow on the 4-hour for USDT dominance is starting to, it's kind of just flat right here. Your VWAP is coming down. Let's see the 2-hour. Yeah, look, you got squished down and then you came back up and held on right there. 1 hour about to cross over into the green. So obviously this is kind of the opposite of Bitcoin, right? So we have a money flow crossover into the red on Bitcoin and into the green on the USDT dominance. So, I mean, if you get this crossover into the green and you get a move up, that could be pretty bearish for Bitcoin. But we'll have to keep an eye on it. Whoops. Let's see, 4-day. Yeah, 4-day bear div. Look at that. Look at that. See, this could be indicative, confirmed bearish divergence on the 4-day for USDT dominance, right? So you go from here to there, higher highs, right? I'm just going to do this to make it look cleaner looking, right? Higher highs and, oh, wait, nope, never mind, guys. Invalidated. Not a true bearish divergence, but just because it's not a true bearish divergence doesn't mean that it's still not bearish structure, right? Typically, you get the red dot, super high or high. We could see this come down maybe to the moving average. Maybe you get your moving average to kind of wiggle its way up like this, and then we come down and test it like that. But we're going to keep an eye on that on the USDT dominance as we have been in the recent past. Let's just read chat real quick, and then I'm going to move on And I'm going to show you guys this new indicator that is super cool, super powerful. And I'm just going to we'll just kind of hang out, we'll just kind of hang out. I'll run through the stuff. You guys can ask me questions. And yeah, we do have a discount code for this indicator, but I'm going to show you guys kind of how I'm using it and what I'm playing around with if you guys are interested. Let's see. Seems like we are repeating 2021 summer, but 10K lower. Yeah, maybe. Humble Beginning says, I have no family. I have a newborn. My BD left and moved out of town. I'm not from here. I don't have family. I'm on the streets. Any help, I'm grateful. She needs milk. I mean, mods, I'll let you kind of make the judgment call on that. I don't know. Anyway, my main account is back. Thank you. Let's go, Flesk. I told you we were going to help you out with that. I mean, I think the mods helped you out with that. But, hey, there we go. Let's go. We got you back, man. We unbanned you, I guess. Shout out to you. I don't know why you were banned. I don't remember you ever saying anything that we didn't like. So, shout out to you. Let's see. Apecoin in a rising channel. Nice moment to short. Let's go ahead and check on it. And this will be the last thing we look at before we head over to check out Lux Algo. Yeah, I don't know what time frame you're looking at, but we are indeed coming up to some serious resistance here. I mean, if we pull some volume here, I can almost guarantee you you're coming up to something strong here. Boom, there you go, coming up to that value area high on the dot, coming up to that POC. Now, be careful with your short, right? For me, now this is the way I trade, you could get into an entry here, right, and hope that you bust through this point of control. But this is very strong support and resistance, so you want to be careful. How I would trade this is I would wait for the breakdown, boom, wait for the retest, enter here, and then ride it down to that value area low, which is likely where it would be headed if we do break that level. So, but yeah, that's a pretty good call. Yeah, this thing is moving up. Wouldn't be a bad short. I just be careful with that POC because you could bounce off of that. Now looking at, yeah, you did get that 15. You're back in the green on the 15 minutes, starting to come down a little bit. I know you guys can't see this. Let me move it over. Yeah, your money flow, yeah, back in the green, but you are coming down. A little bit of mixed signals in there. Yeah, I would say not a horrible call, but I would just watch that POC. Make sure you're going to get through that POC before entering that trade. Not financial advice. Too kind, all y'all. Shout out to you, Flesk. I don't know how to say your name. I'm sorry. Let's see. These candle colors remind me of Wendy's. Cool to see something different. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. We were going for a Wendy's look. I'm not going to lie. But isn't Wendy's yellow and red? Or is that just McDonald's? I don't know. Speaking of McDonald's, guys, let's move on to our this indicator that I do just want to, like I said, I just want to cover it briefly, kind of run through it, like rough through it with you guys. But I said speaking of McDonald's because if you type in McDonald's on TradingView on your indicators tab and you click on this, Lux Algo actually has a McDonald's indicator, right? With a burger and fries and the McDonald's logo. Actually, this is, wow, 99.88% similar to the McDonald's logo. I don't know exactly how this indicator works, but apparently people are actually using this to trade. It was actually made as a meme. We were talking to Sean, who is the creator of Lux Algo. This is one of their bazillion indicators that they make. They made this as a joke in response to McDonald's saying someone should make a McDonald's indicator. And then they made this, and it blew up, and people actually use it. And Sean was telling us today that people message him every day and say, thank you so much for the McDonald's indicator. I'm making so much money. And he's like, don't use that to trade. This is a joke. But people are making money. So, hey, can't hate on that. But there you go. You could type that in. Maybe we'll make something, and we'll call it the Frankie Candles indicator, but we'll have bagels and sauce icons instead of fries and burgers. I think the burgers are longs and the fries are shorts. Is what it looks like. This thing's pretty dang accurate. Short here, I mean, hey, it's not that bad. You short here, that would have been a nice ride. You long there, that's a nice ride. Short there, nice ride. Or nice ride down to here, long. Hey, you never want to just, do buy and sell indicators, but it does look pretty accurate. But anyway, guys, let's take a look at Lux Algo. I'm joking with this McDonald's indicator, but it is made by them. So it is very interesting. But Basically, if you want to, they have this, their main indicator is Lux Algo Premium, right? So kind of how you have Market Cipher A and Market Cipher B, you have Lux Algo Premium, right, which is this one, and then you have the oscillators. Let me get rid of this, and let me get rid of this volume profile. And actually, let me get rid of everything on the charts. And then you have your Lux Algo oscillators, right? So you can think of that as the oscillators as Market Cipher B. Not comparing the indicators, I'm just comparing the product itself, right? As a product, this would be similar to like this is your oscillator, like Market Cipher B is your oscillator when using Market Cipher. And then instead of Market Cipher A as your overlay, you use Lux Algo, which completely changes. It changes a lot of stuff. So let me turn some of this stuff off so it's nice and simple looking for you guys. So let's come to the daily chart just to make it cleaner. Now this is Lux Algo. Let's go to our naked Bitcoin chart. There you go. This is not our naked chart. This is our naked chart. Okay. So here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the drawings. Okay. So this is Lux Algo, guys. Now, you'll notice a couple of things, right? Obviously, you have buy and sell indicators, right? And we're going to talk about those in a second. So you have the buy and sell indicators, right? And we might make some videos on this possibly in the future, but just to cover it a little bit. Buy and sell signals, right? It comes with that. You'll notice that the candles completely change color, right? So now this is, and actually let's get rid of the oscillator for now. Let's just cover this. Now, the green candles indicate a buy, right? Now, this isn't, you can kind of think of this as buy signal, not the buy signal, but buy territory, right? And then purple is kind of neutral, and red would be sell, right? So, and then you see these little X's. These are exit points for your trades, right? Now, I want to preface this. You guys probably know I'm going to say this. You don't want to just trade buy and sell signals, right? If it was as easy as just buying when something said buy and selling when something says sell, everybody would be a bazillionaire. Now, so you don't want to just trade these buy and sell signals as buy. You don't want to trade them alone and just trust them blindly, right? You want to use them with multiple confirmations, just like Market Cipher, right? If I pull up Market Cipher right now, technically on Market Cipher B, all these red dots, the green dot, red dot, green dot, red dot, green dot, green dot, green dot, red dot, green dot, all of those are technically buy and sell signals. But we don't just buy and sell every red and green dot, right? It's the same thing with this. Now, to deter people from thinking they can use this as a buy and sell indicator, now, granted, if you put in a short here and you left it all the way in until the next buy signal, that would have played out for you, but it's not as easy as you think. If you try to just go by buy and sell signals, you're going to realize quickly that it doesn't work as good as you would think. Trust me, everybody would be a millionaire. I would be a billionaire if that was the case. But you can, they are very good signals when combined with other confirmations. And between Market Cipher, your traditional TA, and the other 50 indicators that Lux Algo makes for free, you can find plenty of ways to confirm these signals. Now, just because... so that's basically what you have. You have buy, sell, right? And then you have the candle colors, right? Like I said, green is buy, purple is neutral, red is sell, right? And then you have the yellow X's, which are exit points, right? So if you were to, say you were to buy right here and you ride it all the way up, this would be your exit signal, right? And then you could also exit on your next sell signal. Now, to change this, just because I don't really even like I don't like having the buy and sell on the chart. It's a little easier to see, but just to kind of deter you guys away from thinking that you could just buy the buy signals and sell the sell signals, I'm going to change it to confirmation minimal, right? So now, and then you will also see, let me just turn these on real quick. You also see it says strong right here. Now this is just obviously a stronger signal. So you have buy, you have sell, and then you have strong sell, strong buy, right? So you have 4 buy and sell signals. I'm going to change mine to confirmation minimal, which is just going to get the buy and sell off of the chart, and it just replaces the buy and sell signals with these triangles, right? Because in my opinion, just them saying buy and sell is going to kind of get into your psyche, and I would rather have them as just shapes, right? So then you have a buy here, you have a strong sell, a strong buy, a regular sell, a strong sell, a a strong buy, right? So it just replaces them with triangles, right? So now this is the basic indicator. So you have the colored candles, the buy and sells, and the X's, which indicate an exit for your trade, right? Now, this gets juicy, guys. There is a lot to this indicator, a whole lot to this indicator. So if you come to your settings here, I'm just going to kind of go over a couple of these today. I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Think of Lux Algo as yet another tool in your arsenal to give you much better chances of predicting price movement. Yes, Tony, absolutely. Nothing is guaranteed. You don't want to trade buy and sell signals alone. This is just another tool, right? So when you're looking at Market Cipher, obviously you guys know my main indicator is Market Cipher. Now, if market blood diamond on the 4-hour, right? Money flow crossover to the red on the 1-hour, right? Money flow on the lower time frame coming out. So you're feeling bearish on Market Cipher, then you would pull up Lux Algo and see, let's see what Lux Algo is saying. And if Lux Algo is giving you sell signals on the 4-hour, a strong sell signal on the 4-hour, that would be agreeing with the blood diamond on the 4-hour for Market Cipher. So you just bring Lux Algo to try to get some more confirmations. And I'm going to show you there's some we're gonna have to go over this a lot because there is so much stuff here. Now, the meat and potatoes of this indicator are in the settings. So you're gonna want to come to settings, right? And you can go ahead and see here you have presets. So are you a swing trader, a trend trader? Are you a contrarian trader? Are you a scalper? And you can kind of select these, and you'll see if I do scalper, right? And I hit OK, come to the 15-minute. You'll see that it outfits my chart with something completely different. Now there's clouds, right? What are these clouds? Oh my God, this is still the same indicator, guys. Wait until you see what this indicator has to offer. You have no idea. So this is set up for scalpers, right? So there's the buys and the sells are much more frequent. We're on a lower time frame, and then it gives you these reversal clouds, right? So this is probably the last thing we'll cover. I'm just going to kind of go into this. If you're a scalper, here we are on the 15-minute. And you could see these two clouds. Obviously, you have a red cloud and a green cloud, right? And you can see, obviously, they're reversal clouds, right? You can kind of self-explanatory, right? So you get a sell signal up by the reversal cloud on this candle, right? Price comes up to the reversal cloud, right? You get a strong sell, likely to come down a little bit, right? And then you get close to this reversal cloud here. And obviously, sometimes it gets closer, right? You kissed it there. You kissed it there and then came down. You touched this one. So it kind of just gives you a good idea of where price can go, right? So you bottomed out right here, and then you got a buy signal here. You could have rode it up until you hit the next reversal cloud, and then you did get a perfect exit signal at the top of this reversal cloud to get out of the trade, and then boom, it was a perfect call, right? And then there's just, if you come back to your settings, this is just one setup, and we'll cover this all in detail. I just kind of want to give you guys a breakdown of what this indicator has to offer. You can go to swing trader, right? So if you're a little bit of a longer term trader, come to the 4-hour and let it load a little bit, and now you have something called the Neo cloud, which is these blue and red clouds, which essentially act as obviously. Similar to like an Ichimoku cloud, Ichimoku cloud. I always say Ichimoku. Ichimoku, I think is how you say it. But obviously, you're below the cloud. It acts as resistance, right? So you come all the way up, and you get rejected, 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 rejected. And then, obviously, you've been getting rejected for a while now. But then when you flip above, right here, you hopped above the Neo cloud, and now you're using it as support. So it's a really good trend tracker, right? So when you're below the red Neo cloud, right, you're probably not going to be wanting to look for longs because you're just trading against the trend. But when you're above the blue Neo cloud, you might want to look for longs as the trend is an uptrend, right? So that is interesting. If anybody uses the Ichimoku clouds or Ichi, however you say it, it's kind of similar to that, but they are a little bit different. And then come back to our indicator, right? So that was, I just showed you scalper and swing trader. Then you could look at trend trader, and you'll see it brings up a different preset. And now you have something called the trend catcher, which is this green line that typically can call shorts pretty well. When I was back testing it, this is pretty reliable. You can see here your green line turns red right here, which could be you did get your sell signal right here, which kind of foreshadowed this big move down. But this trend catcher does turn red right here, right before you free fall, right? So pretty strong indication there. And then right here as well, you know, you turned red, came down, right? Same thing here, right? You're coming up, the trend catcher is green, boom, it turns red right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, turns red right here, and you come down, right? So tons and tons and tons, and I have barely touched on any of this, right? So those are just some presets you can have, different signal modes, right? And then you have, let's see, we'll turn that on autopilot. And then down here, indicator overlays, right? You saw some of this in the presets. The Neo cloud was that Ichimoku cloud thing I was showing you, similar to the Ichimoku cloud, not the same. Then you have the reversal zones, which are those two clouds, the red and the green clouds that show you where reversals can happen. Trend catcher, which is that green line I was just showing you that turns red and green. And then you have Lux profile, which is kind of like a volume profile tool. If we come to the current price action, there you go. It's kind of like a volume profile, like a custom volume profile tool. And then you have the hypertrend, the EQ cloud, all this different stuff, guys. And we'll dive deep into all this stuff in the coming weeks, months, whatever it is. And I'm putting Lux Algo through the absolute ringer. I will be letting you guys know all the strategies I'm using, which ones I'm finding useful, which ones I'm not finding useful. But then one more thing I want to show you guys is if you come here and you type in Lux Algo, right? You just type in Lux and you scroll down to the community scripts. All of these indicators by Lux Algo are free. Are absolutely free, right? Except for the locked ones. So this is a free one. This is good for support and resistance. I believe this is a free one. Please don't hold me to that. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure this is a free one. Now, this is very similar to Market Cipher SR or support and resistance. Now, this is useful because if you come down, right, come down here, it kind of just shows you where you are likely to find support and resistance. Pretty useful. Again, this is a free one, so feel free to go check some of these out as I bring them up. But again, you just type in Lux, and they have all these free indicators. Now, there's one, let's see, there is one that I really, really liked. I think I favorited it, or maybe not. Let's see. Peak activity, no. There is one, guys, that basically predicts what, or tries to predict what Bitcoin is going to do. They have a moon phases. Where's Hodgepodge? They have a moon phases indicator as well. But yeah, you guys get the point. There is so much free stuff, and I'm going to be covering this more and more as I dive deeper into the indicator. I'll let you guys know what I like about it, what I don't like about it, what works for me, what doesn't work for me. But as I can tell right now, this is a super customizable, yet user-friendly, right? You can use the presets. They work great. But then if you want to dive a little deeper and set your custom parameters exactly how you like it, you know, you could have a completely different setup with different settings that work better for you. So very cool. Very customizable, but they also give you the option to use the presets if you don't want to dive into all the settings and stuff. You're not into that. You don't have to. You could use the presets. They're all optimized, right? So there you go, guys. There's Lux Algo. And again, we're going to be covering this more and more. We do have a discount code if you guys want to check it out. Blanchard's B says, I heart this channel. Blanchard's, I heart you. But yeah, we do have a discount code, guys. I think Tony put the link in there. 20% off using the discount code Frankie20. You will get 20% off. And then I do believe they have all different... They do have a monthly subscription. I think you could buy a lifetime. They have all different deals, so definitely go check them out, guys. And again, we're probably going to cover a lot more Lux Algo as it is a very, very, very versatile indicator. And just with all the options that they have, I'm like a kid in a candy store playing with this thing. So stay tuned for many, many more. I don't know. Stay tuned for more Lux Algo because we're going to be covering it, guys. Let's see, 12K available in 2024 is probable. Flat Smack, what's going on, man? Thank you for being here. Have you compared Lux Algo to Market Cipher A for the blood diamonds on the 4 hour? Yes, so if we come to the 4 hour here, come on. So the 4 hour on Bitcoin, and then I'll just go, it's a little easier to see the actual buy and sell. So we'll do that. And yes, so there you go. I mean, next to each other, you know, we do have the 4 hour blood diamond on Bitcoin, but we are not getting any strong sell signals down there. But you will see sell, right? I mean, if you, I don't recommend just trading off buy and sell. It does not work, right? But I mean, these are accurate, right? And then if you click on here, you click on this little dashboard down here, you'll see that it says, hang on, let me turn autopilot off. So you can see here that optimized sensitivity is 36 right here. So if you open up your indicator settings, I believe the higher this number, the more spaced out your signals will be, right? So if you're looking to, you know, if you're looking to take longer term trades, right? So say, you know, you want to take, let's zoom out a little bit. If you want to take a long, so you see buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, right? But if you just wanted to make some longer term trades, you can go ahead and open up the settings on your indicator. And I think if you just change this to like 50, I believe it will space out the signals for longer term trades. Yeah, you can see a lot of them went away. And now you just get a buy here, and your next sell is all the way over here, right? Instead of getting a buy here, a sell there, a buy here, a sell there, a buy here, a sell there, a buy here, a sell there. It just makes them longer term, right? So you got a buy here, and then a sell here, and then another buy here, and then a sell here, and a buy here, and a sell there, right? So it kind of spaces them out for you. And then, you know, if you wanted to go down to the 15-minute, right? And, you know, you want to scalp the 15-minute, you know, this might not be the best settings because you're just not getting buy and sell signals very often. So you can come back here, change it to something like 12, and then hit OK. Come on. And then boom, there you go. You get much more practical signals, the buy, sell, right? Much more practical. And then also, as you can see right here, optimal sensitivity is 11, right? So if you click on autopilot signal settings, it will automatically change your signal sensitivity to the optimal sensitivity that it senses on the chart, right? Which is based off of your visible range that you're looking at, right? So if you're zoomed in like this, looking at price, you'll see if we turn off autopilot, if you turn autopilot on, it automatically sets it to the most ideal setting. But you can see here your optimal sensitivity is 11 right here as you're zoomed in. But if you zoom out, I do believe, or maybe, I don't know, maybe it's not set to that. It might be due to time frame. If you come to a different time frame, I think it changes. Yeah, now it's 10 on the 2 hour. If you come to the daily, it's 12. So it always changes. I've been keeping it on autopilot for now, unless I physically want to change it to give me further more spaced out signals. I will. But very, very useful indicator, guys. And again, just because they have so much stuff, like right now, I'll just tell you guys a little, I'll give you like a sneak peek of what I'm looking at. Something that really intrigues me is coming to the settings here, right? And I like having the trend catcher and the reversal zones, right? Come on, there you go. So you can see that, you know, as price comes into this reversal zone, you know, the sell signal comes here, which, you know, it could be a little bit of a late entry, but if you enter while you're in the reversal zone, it's very rare. You know, when you come into these reversal zones, a lot of times, right? You come to the reversal zone, boom, you come down. You come to the reversal zone, boom, you come up, right? You come to the reversal zone, boom, you come down. This one, you kind of just came sideways, but boom, you came to the reversal zone, you came up to this reversal zone, right? Anytime you come up and touch this, right? Boom, you come down. Boom, you came down a little bit, but boom, you came right up. And you got a strong buy signal here as well. And then, yeah, like here, you get a strong sell signal as well as your trend catcher turning red. I've noticed that the trend catcher turning red is a pretty decent short signal, right? Right here, turns red. You did get a sell signal as well, but it turns red right here. You came down. Turns green right here. You come up. And again, you want to be using this with confirmations, guys, right? You don't just want to be trading off of this. And then one thing I do want to show you guys really quick is the oscillators. These get exciting too. If you come into these settings, You have all different, you have a newer version, a different customized version of the MACD, which gives you much earlier signals than a regular MACD, right? Because sometimes the MACD can give you a little bit of a late signal, and by the time you get into the trade, it's already turning around. So this does give you earlier signals if you compare them, and you can just pull them both up side by side. And I will continue to test this stuff for you guys, so you don't have to waste your time. And then they have a new version, a different version of the RSI, which responds faster than the normal one. And then they have their ultimate stochastics, right? So super, super useful stuff there. Very, very, very interesting. And then again, they have tons of free indicators for you guys to check out as well. But for now, I'm just going to go back to Market Cipher. I did just kind of want to show you guys that. We're going to start incorporating this into our TA, so expect that. We'll look at Market Cipher, and then we will also check on Lux Algo and see what kind of signals that's giving us. So yeah, I mean, actually, let's just do that, right? We already did our Market Cipher TA on Bitcoin, but again, let's see what Lux Algo is saying, right? So we're not getting any super strong sell signals on Lux Algo yet. But we do have a blood diamond on Market Cipher. Can we pull up Market Cipher A at the same time? Is that possible? Boom. There you go. So yeah, we have the blood diamond here, but we're not really getting that signal on Lux Algo. Now let's come to the, let's see if the 2-day gave us like a buy signal or anything with our bullish divergence. Nothing. So yeah, not getting that signal. Now the question is Lux Algo missing a strong sell signal, or is Market Cipher not going to see this blood diamond play out? We'll have to see. But again, guys, keep an eye out for this, because we're going to be looking at Lux Algo a bunch more in the near future. So, all right, let's go ahead and check chat before we get into some of this Alt TA. Lux makes charts look cool too. Yeah, I mean, hey, who doesn't like that color change on the candles? What's the coupon code for Lux Algo? It's Frankie20. Thank you for answering that, Tyler. I appreciate you. Let's see. Shout out to their free indicators. Yeah, Flesk. Absolutely, man. Some of them are really, really, really cool. Ritesh, what is going on? Welcome back, man. Says thank you, Frankie. Absolutely. Let's see. Just got Lux Algo. Thanks, Frankie. No problem. Raphael, I got you, homie. No problem. Wow. Dashing dots is that fast? Jealous. Chemistry, Frankie, this is really random, but go look at Cotton's price chart. Just dumped so hard. What? Chemistry, bro. It's crazy. Frank Kizzle, Can Dizzle, let's go. DJ, shout out to you, man. Blue Punk Rocker, welcome back. Dope Indicator signing up after the stream. Let's go. Yeah, guys, like I said, we have the discount code. Go check it out. Also, if you don't, if you want to just kind of try them out first, maybe try out some of their free stuff. Maybe you'll like it. Check out the McDonald's pattern. Oh, the Echo Forecast. This is it. This is what I want to show you guys. This is interesting. So this one is a free one. You guys can go check this out right now. This essentially tries to predict what price is going to do, right? So this is predicting 10K by July 4th, by the 4th of July. I don't know if that's going to happen. I hope not. That's going to be a pretty quick drop. But yeah, so obviously it changes. And again, something like this, in my opinion, would be very speculative. This one would be more like for fun. But if you pull up the daily chart, it says 26 could be a likely pump. So this one's kind of interesting, I thought. If you pull up the weekly, it's saying back to all-time highs by March 2023. So who knows? But yeah, again, going to be probably a little more speculative on these types of indicators. But I just thought this was cool. I mean, this is just fun, right? Like for us TA nerds, right? Like you could just kind of look at this and then like on the 1 minute or something, right? And then just like test it, like, right? Like put your horizontal line here, put an annotation that says, Lux Algo says we'll be at this price at this time, and see how close it can get, right? Just kind of fun. But yeah, they have tons and tons of really, really cool indicators, guys. Go check them out. But yeah, let's see. Cotton is a pump and dump scam. Yes, I believe that. Hey, what's up, Sanchez Frank? What is going on? Shout out to you, man. Como te comas, BNC. Pumped insane too. All right. Does Lux Algo work with the mobile version of TradingView, I'm assuming it does. JRego, yes, it does. I have tested it. But yeah, the daily chart on cotton. Are we looking at cotton right now? What is the ticker for cotton? I guess it's that. Cotton, I guess, is this. I guess we'll know by looking at the daily chart. Oh, boy. Yeah, look at that dump ski. What happened to cotton? What happened to cotton? Who pump and dumped cotton? You guys can backtest these strategies yourself, too. I have been myself. Yeah, guys, I recommend that, right? Go check these indicators out and backtest them. Backtest them. But like I said, we're going to be covering trading strategies with Lux Algo. We're going to be diving deep into Lux Algo. And when I develop strategies that I prefer, I will definitely let you guys know. And we're going to be working it into our TA probably, most days here. So what's up, Christina? What's going on? I appreciate you for being here. 20% down on cotton now. Yeah, it's crazy. But guys, let's go ahead and check on some of these alts. I know someone wanted to see LRC. If you guys want to see a specific altcoin, just let me know. Great content, Frankie. Nacho Flat, I appreciate you, man. It's hard work, so I'm glad you like it. 3 more days to the end of the month. That is right. Are clothes gonna be on sale now? Cheaper T-shirts? Yeah, absolutely. Buy the dip on your T-shirts, guys. Cotton Weary is innocent. Appreciate you guys. Jay Rego, we got you, man. Buy your T-shirts now while cotton is cheap. WTF is cotton. Cotton-like T-shirts. GALA, Crypto Billy, you want GALA, and I'm going to go ahead and say this, Crypto Billy. You're VIP. You're today's VIP, so we're looking at your altcoin first. So shout out to you, Crypto Billy. We love you. Let's see. Coinbase, here we go. Looking at GALA, here we go. Speaking of GALA, guys, go follow MetaMoney. They are now going live every single weekday. I think they're still trying to nail in a time, but go follow them, guys, if you want to learn about the metaverse and how to make money in the metaverse. Definitely go check them out. They make some really good content over there, and we love them. And NFT Alpha as well. Might as well shill the other channels. Go follow NFT Alpha, guys. If we got any NFT degens in the chat, guys, go check out NFT Alpha. They're giving you guys the NFT gems. They're giving you guys all the good projects to get into, and they're covering a lot of stuff. So, and you get, obviously, we have Pluto Alliance. So go check out NFT Alpha. They are awesome. We love them as well. Let's go ahead and, yeah, I got you, Crypto Billy. Okay, GALA. Here we go. 4-hour no blood diamond like there is on Bitcoin. So that is a good sign. Now, we don't have any of our levels here as we are starting with these fresh charts. So let's go ahead and find some levels, shall we? Gonna pull up the VPVR. Okay, we'll just go volume. There we go. Ah, God, I gotta save these settings. We want the ticks, 200, boom. All right. And then we're gonna come here, value area high, value area low. I'm gonna change this to white. I'm gonna change this to white, boom. Sorry, I'm just hacking the mainframe, guys. Okay, so here is a little bit of a range. Yeah. So I'll just go, boom, okay. Okay, right there is good. Okay. So, yeah, you do have a high volume node. High volume node right here. So yeah, I mean, it could be, it all is dependent on what happens with Bitcoin right now. Everything is at the mercy of Bitcoin, but if we can get a bounce off of this POC, typically with the point of control, when you're above a point of control, it is bullish, right? So the bulls are in control when you are above the POC. So typically you'll see us move closer towards this value area high, right? This level right here. And if we break below it, we are likely to come down to this value area low, this level right here. So right now, I would say if we get a nice bounce off of this POC, we could work our way up closer to that that value area high. But you're probably, I mean, you obviously, oh, come on, what's that? We do have some other levels here. Let me get rid of this. Let me just mark these levels so we have them. Boom. Okay. So let me get rid of that. Okay, so here's some levels for GALA. Like I said, you know, if you bounce off this point of control, We could work our way up, and then when we flip above it, we could come up to our value area high, right? But you want to watch the POC, because if we get below the POC, it would be more likely that we come down to the value area low. But if we get a nice bounce and come up from this point of control, I would be looking at about 7 cents to be that next big area of resistance, as we've gotten rejected right here. And if we can get above that and come up a little higher, that value area high is coming. Is that the value area high? Let me just see. No, the value area high is coming in at about 8 cents, right? So if we can get a bounce off that POC, we could come up to about 7 cents, and then your value area high will be coming in at about right here at about 0.083 cents. So there's some levels for you on GALA. Let's pull up Market Cipher B and just kind of see what's going on here on the 4-day. Of course, there's not a lot of information. Let's check the 4-hour. Again, no blood diamond. Money VWAP coming up on that 4-hour for GALA, though. Let's see. Do you have the 1-minute money? You're in the red, coming back up with the money flow on the 1-hour VWAP. Man, maybe you range sideways. This is looking like you could possibly range a little bit sideways, maybe sideways bullish. Let's go ahead and turn on Lux Algo and see what our candles are saying. Yeah, so when you see on Lux Algo, when you see these, when you're kind of going from purple to red to purple to red, it might go to green. When you're going back and forth into the purple, it could indicate just sideways movement, because if you guys remember, the purple indicates neutral, right? Not buy or sell, it just indicates neutral. So now we might come up in the purple a little bit and then back into the red, and we might just kind of go, this is indicative of going sideways for the most part. Kind of the same way that your money flow on Market Cipher B goes red, green, you're kind of just going sideways, right? So in that aspect, Lux Algo is actually, kind of saying the same thing as Market Cipher here. And kind of interesting to note, when you go into the green with the money flow, you do come into the purple, and then when you come back into the red, you come into the red candles, right? And then you're in the red with the red candles, and as soon as you come into the purple candles, you go back into the green. Pretty interesting. There might be something to that, right? You're in the red, right? And then you come into the green, you're purple again, and then when you get back into the red, you're red. I don't know. Interesting. But yeah, I would say maybe sideways, maybe move sideways a little bit, and then, immediate resistance above you. I guess the next big area of resistance is going to be at that 7 cent area. Also a psychological level of support, so keep that in mind as well. And then right underneath you at about 5 cents is going to be some support. Almost to 20K subs. Way to go, man. Will Yum Yum, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Thanks for showing love. Let's see. How close are we? How close are we to 20K? Let's see. Let's pull up the YouTube studio. All right, where are we going next, guys? What do we want to see next? Anyone know what Frankie drives? I know he's a car guy. I'm curious. YOLO Baggins. Actually, right now I'm in the market for a car. What am I gonna buy? Maybe we'll vlog. Maybe we'll vlog it when I buy a car. But yeah, right now I'm not really driving much. Let's see. I used to have a Charger RT. That was the last cool car that I had. Yeah, Charger RT. Like 360 horsepower to the wheels. It was fun. Useless in the snow, but very fun. Maybe Lux and Market Cipher are best friends when used together. Tony, you might be onto something there. Let's go. I can tell you when I'm rich, I'm buying him a fully loaded custom STI. Let's go. I'll take it. I'll take it. Just make sure the blow-off valve is as loud as possible. That's all I care about. Monte Carlo, let's go. XRP, you guys want to take a look at XRP? Not a great time to buy cars. Yes, Cito, not wrong. You're not wrong. Yeah, horrible time to buy a car. Which is kind of why I'm kind of holding off on buying a car as of right now, just because I'm waiting. It's just a bad time to buy a car. I was thinking maybe I'll do a short-term lease or something, because I need a car, but it's just a bad time. I just feel like an idiot buying a car right now. But you know what? Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Buy a Pinto. I'll take a Pinto. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at XRP as it has been requested. We did look at XRP before, but we'll take another look. I'll turn off Lux Algo here. All right, so you do have your money flow in the 1 hour coming back up. You did get the money flow crossover into the right. I mean, sideways. I would think probably sideways here again. When you have your VWAP coming down and your money flow coming up, a lot of times it can indicate sideways. A lot of times it can indicate sideways action. You know, checking that 3-day. You know, looking for those bullish divergences. Obviously, you did get one here. Kind of started to play out. 4-day, you are not printing a green dot. Your 5-day is not printing a green dot. 4 hour, no blood diamond. That is a good sign. Your VWAP is coming up here. 2 hour, money flow coming out. Let's see. Money flow, looking for a money flow crossover on the 24 minute. That's not horrible. What's the 30 minute doing? Yeah, 30 minute coming up. 30 minute coming up. Yeah. Let's get some levels here for, let's get some levels. Let's pull a fib. Actually, we're on the daily. Let's pull a fib all the way, from all the way back here to the bottom. Boom. Yeah, I mean, I guess we want levels to the downside, right? Let's pull up the VPVR. Why does it keep going away? Where is it? There it is. I have to redo the settings again, right? Or no? Yes. All right, come here, change this to 200. Boom. All right. So, I'm going to clear these drawings here. All right. Yeah, I mean, listen. We're pretty low. We're pretty low. You know, I think with XRP, I mean, 29 cents was kind of our bear market target, right? That was kind of our bear market target a while ago. We kind of made that prediction. It seemed like it was really far away for us to hit that price, but we hit it, right? We came down. It's right here. This is probably the strongest level we've hit so far. So, I mean, from where we are right now, I would say that, you know, if we come back down, 29 cents is going to be your next stop. Obviously, you're going to run into, I mean, we'll just take this POC as the next level. But obviously, you've been rejected here. I mean, whether it happens at this level or this level, you're going to encounter some serious resistance here. But can we get back above, right? Obviously, you know, from the big dip that we just recently had to the top, we are up about 34%. Currently, we're not currently up 34%. We're currently up about 23% in the last 9 days, so not too bad. Probably going to see a little bit of a cool-off period here if I had to guess. But then, you know, if we work our way up here, we can kind of assess some higher price targets. But right now, your strong support is going to be about 29 cents, and your next level of strong resistance is going to be at about 38 cents. Let's see. Let's see. How are we only at 200 likes? Is that right? Oh, God, you scared me. You scared me. We got 422. I think you might be lagging a little bit there, Flat. Who said that? Blue Punk Rocker, yeah, I think it might be lagging, guys. 476 people still in here. Smash that like button if you guys want to spin the wheel of pain and pleasure for a chance for 2 chances for a giveaway on each spin. Every 100 likes we get, you guys get a spin on the wheel. Every spin, 2 chances for a giveaway. I don't know why I'm blanking out here. Let's go ahead and see. DJ says, Frankie, what's been your bear market strategies throughout your trading crypto winters? Grind harder, or switch off a bit? DJ, I would say this. I've been trading in the bear market. I've been shorting the heck out of it. I've been trading the ranges, accumulating some certain stuff, right? I've been staying away from the alts. Yeah, we can take a look at MATIC right now. Let's see. Oh, Crypto Lifer sent me a friend request. I thought we already were friends, my man. All right, let me, hang on. MATIC, let's take a look at MATIC. Let's go KuCoin. Bada boom. But yeah, I've been trading for the most part and accumulating Bitcoin. For the most part, staying away from the alts. If I were going to buy alts, I'd probably stick to Ethereum and maybe XRP Cardano-ish. But for the most part, not looking at the alts, as I do think they could possibly get crushed a lot more, depending on what happens. Are we bottomed out? Do we have another leg down? Obviously, depending on that, we could see the alts get wrecked quite a bit more here. Let's see. Frankie, go get Ben's Hellcat. Still at the airport parking lot behind the big blue dumpster. Crypto Billy, you are funny. Get them likes and spin that wheel. Let's go. Interesting. The algorithm thinks that was a bad word. Cow's World. I don't know why they thought that was... Tony says, don't accept the friend request. It could be a scam. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. I think I'm already friends with Lifer. I want to get good at trading so I can accumulate the most and cash in 2025. Let's go. I need way more. Let's go flat smack. Let's get it. Let's get it. How long if we break and hold 37 cents? Yeah, I would probably wait for a little bit too. DJ says, my man, I appreciate you, bro. Thanks for the game as always. DJ, I got you anytime you need me. Okay, thoughts on the altcoin market? Bouncing off the 200 week. Yeah. Oh, Lunar Beaches, yes. Listen, we are in the, just because of the macroeconomic environment that we're in right now is kind of making me, it's hard to read that stuff, right? Because I know we've bottomed out on the 200 week. I don't know about the altcoin market, but Bitcoin's bottomed out on the 200 week moving average in the past very accurately, but we are in much different times right now. We are in a macroeconomic time that is very different than any other bear market that we've seen. So that's kind of what makes me think that we can come down a lot lower. Yo, Frankie, is it considered a diamond pattern on the 15-minute BTC after the last drop, or price range isn't enough? I will check on that in a second. Let's look. All right, let's just check on that real quick, and then we'll go back to AVAX. 15-minute diamond pattern. Let's see. Right here. No. I think you're looking at right here. Come on. Oh, God. Boom. Boom. Oh, what am I doing? Come on. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. No. I would like to see a wick down here. I don't know if I'm looking at the same thing that you're looking at, but I wouldn't consider that a diamond pattern. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at... was it AVAX? Or no, MATIC. It was MATIC. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. All right, so on MATIC, VWAP coming down on the daily. Probably going to print a red dot here on the daily very, very soon. 4-hour money flow coming out, and the VWAP is coming up. Yeah, it's indicative of pretty much sideways action. Let's see, is that 1-hour money flow? Yeah, 1 hour coming back up, with the VWAP coming down. I think you probably range. Somewhat. It's probably going to get kind of boring. But yeah, I'm seeing a lot of sideways action. Turning on Lux Algo. Let's see if we get that. Yeah, just kind of purple, red. It's kind of sideways. So yeah, I would say sideways for the most part with MATIC, because just the way Bitcoin's kind of just, it's hard to say. I mean, this actually does look a little bit different than Bitcoin, but it is indicative of sideways action. Checking these lower time frames, money flow coming up, money flow kind of coming back down there. 30-minute money flow crossover looking to happen here pretty soon, but the VWAP's coming down. I say you range sideways. There's a lot of stuff indicating that you're probably going to go sideways. Let's see. Yeah, that was it. Cheers, mate. Paulo, no problem. Yeah, I would like to see a wick down to the bottom of that. I would like to see some candles kind of to make that. Hey, we're here now. What's going on? Mike and Mickey, what is going on? Thank you guys for being here. But yes, Frankie is the man. I'm still learning like everybody else. Got a long ways to go. But again, thanks for all your content, Frankie. Cow's World, shout out to you, man. You are becoming a channel regular here as you show face more and more every day. Frankie Candles, shout out to our Discord server boosters, Bubba's Crypto, Chemistry Bro, Mario Bro, Papa Dope, Paper Route Frank, and Pope Viking, and Ricky P. Shout out to all you guys boosting the Discord server. It helps out more than you guys could probably imagine. I appreciate every single one of you so much. Shout out to you guys. Let's see. Thoughts on AMP, please. Okay, I'll take a look at AMP in a second. Shorting Shiba, can you check it, Frankie? Yes. Does Lux Algo purple instead of green because it's in a downtrend? Ben, so the purple candles indicate like are neutral, right? So the red are bearish, the green are bullish, purple is neutral. Let's take a look at AMP. Let's take a look at AMP. Okay. Let's see. Coming to the daily. Coming to the 4-day, actually. Let's see. Bada boom. Let's check the 3-day. Yeah, yellow X on the 3-day. That was kind of a while ago, though. Daily red. Yeah, so the red dot on AMP has printed on the daily. It is printing. It's not printed. It's not confirmed yet, but that would be an official invalidation of this bullish divergence on the daily. So keep that in mind. Yeah, there you go. Red dot on the daily. Oh boy. But yeah, nothing. They probably are going to come down a little bit just based off of this. Taking a look at the 4-hour. No blood diamond, or at least no blood diamond. Where we thought it would be. Money flow coming back down, looking to cross back into the red. Now, another thing you guys want to realize that is in a bear market, you tend to spend a lot more time in. Oh my God, I can't stand when this defaults. I turn the RSIs off. RSIs are I just don't really look at them that often. Not that they're not useful, I just typically don't look at them off. It's probably the thing I look at the least on Market Cypher. I say this all the time. I always delete them off my chart. It just makes it look so much more confusing to people who don't know what they're looking at. But you do have your money flow coming down here. And again, in a bear market, you'll notice, right? We're in a bear market. And you can see, right? You spend much more time in the red, a little bit of time in the green. Why is this green and not white? Let's go back to white here. Okay, so yeah, so you come down, you spend a lot of time in the red, a tiny bit of time in the green, and then you come back into the red, tiny bit in the green, back in the red, tiny bit in the green, back into the red, tiny bit in the green, back into the red, tiny bit in the green, back into the red, tiny bit in the green, and you could come back into the red, right? In a bear market, you spend much more time in the red than the green. And then, obviously, the opposite for a bull market, right? So when you're in a bull market, you spend much more time in the green and much less time in the red, right? So, April 2021, if we open up this, right? What is this? April 2021, February. So, yeah, obviously, in a bull market, you can see you're in the green. Oh my God, why is this green again? That's the most annoying thing in the world. You're in the green, tiny bit in the red. Well, tiny bit in the green, tiny bit in the red, now you're in the green, tiny bit in the red, now you're in the green, tiny bit in the red, now you're in the green, and then these are kind of even. But I just want to show you guys that it wouldn't be unlikely for AMP, come on, it wouldn't be unlikely for AMP to just roll back over into the red in a bear market and come back down into a big red wave. So keep that in mind. Some levels that you can watch. Let's go ahead and let's pull a little volume profile here. A little boom and a boom. Yeah, maybe this isn't. Yeah, this is kind of weird price action. This is kind of hard to read here. I guess we could pull a fib from here. Boom. Come right up here. Yeah. AMP is, I don't know. AMP is boring, right? You are bouncing off of this fib level at about this 382 level. 382 fib level. Jeez, I cannot talk right now. If we come down and, you could test this 0.5 level, and then you do have the golden pocket here at about 0.008. So here's some levels to the downside that you can look at. But again, going to be highly dependent on what Bitcoin does. Jiren, I am in. He said got here a little bit late. I am in trades right now. They're basically break even right now. I was in it was a Bitcoin short. Let's go check on Bitcoin real quick. Bada boom. Here we go. Yeah, so it was a Bitcoin short. Let's come down to the lower time frames here. Come to our other chart as well. Yeah, so yeah, it was a Bitcoin trade, Bitcoin short. I entered right on the bearish retest of this bear flag. And then as I was editing my Market Watch video this morning, it came down and hit my take profit, but I didn't have my take profit set, and I was editing the video, and I'm now on a wild ride. So we'll see what happens. I do feel pretty confident with the 4-hour blood diamond confirmed that we could come down a little bit deeper. So I do feel pretty comfortable holding it as of right now, and you did just get that 5-minute blood diamond. Dump it, baby! Dump it! Let's go. Let me just check here. Yeah. All right, let's go. Oh, we're actually in profit now. I'm up about 1% on that trade now. So we'll see how it plays out. But guys, can you hear that? I'm like wheezing. I don't know why. But guys, with that being said, I think that's all I got for today's stream, guys. I hope you guys learned something. Pray, please pray for my short, so I don't get stopped out. Pray for my short. Let's hope we go down a little bit more. If you guys want to sign up, I hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at Lux Algo. If you guys want to sign up for that, you guys can use my discount code. If you guys want to sign up for Market Cypher, I also have a discount code pinned to the top of the chat. If you guys want to go check out those indicators, dump it. Let's go. Thank you for the update, sir. Jiren, no problem. I got you, my friend. Let's see. Yeah, AMP was a bummer during the bull run. Yeah, I mean, I bought AMP at like 5 cents, so I wasn't the earliest. But then it just stayed at 5 cents for like ever, right? And then I just got rid of it. Nice one, Frankie. Thank you, Crypto Subsurfer. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Again, I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys liked checking out that new indicator because there's going to be much, much more to come on that Lux Algo information and content. So, have you heard of Quant? Yes, Nick Curtin. I see what you tried to do there. Ban that guy. Tony, do you see him? Yellow D icon. Ban him. Thank you. But guys, with all that being said, I appreciate every single one of you guys for tuning in today. 390 people left in here. Now let's go ahead and spin our wheel of pain and pleasure. We do have, I didn't give us a like goal today. Dang. Let's see if we can get it to 500. I'll give you guys 7 spins on the wheel. Let's get it to 500 before we finish the spins here. And with, all right, here we go. Let's do it. All right, let's see. So close to 20,000 followers. So close to 500 subscribers. So close to 20,000 subscribers. So close to 500 likes. Let's get it. Thank you for everything. Great show. I appreciate all you guys. Looking forward to the Lux Algo stuff. Awesome, Ryan. So am I. Thank you, mods. Tours? Studio tours? Okay. We'll do it. We'll do, I'll put it on the wheel. I'll put it on the wheel. Studio tour. Boom. All right, there we go. But the studio tour will probably be, like, we'll get it, right? And then I'll record a video on my phone or something, and then I'll just put it into the Discord so you guys could check it out in the Discord, because I can't physically pick this camera up. It's all hooked up to a bunch of stuff. I can't move it. So that's probably how that will go. But without further ado, everybody, let's go ahead and spin that wheel. Let's go. Let's go. We bounce right off resistance. Oh, yeah, baby. Dump it. Dump it. Let's go. Great stream. Hey, Sniper's Nightmare. I appreciate you. Justin Blaine. Sup, Frankie? What's going on, Justin? Thank you for being here. Giveaway! Starting the week off strong. Let's go! Almost broke the desk. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry I get excited sometimes. I just like when you guys get giveaways. 500 likes. You guys are getting 10 spins. I don't care. I said 7. I'm giving you 10. I don't care. Crickets. Where are the crickets? I will eat the crickets. I don't know. They move. Everything moved, guys. You gotta bear with me. The whole studio, like, this looks the same, but the whole studio around me is completely different now. So everything has moved. So bear with me on these crickets and some of these challenges. The hats. I don't know where the hats went. We will get back into it again. We're reworking the entire wheel for the super chats and all that. The wheel is about to get crazy, guys. Bing bong, Connor Anderson. Thank you for being here, man. Desk violence. Hey, Tony, can you give me a thumbs up if we got rid of that guy who tried to make me say a bad word? Giveaway! Let's go, baby. Let's go. Giveaway number 2. Spin number 4. Let's go. Let's go. No, do you have tours of the studio? We are in town. Yes. So reach out to you rock as always, Frank. You're bringing the damn sauce. Let's go. Let's go, Daddy Zach. I appreciate you, brother. Yes. And another giveaway. Let's get it, guys. Spin number, who knows? Yes. Mike, you can set that up. You can set that up. You will be able to meet me. You have to email. He crickets. We'll do it. I just gotta find him. You have to email. office@bitboycrypto.com. It might be that'll get you in touch with somebody. But yeah, check. Did that not pick a winner? What was that? All right, next spin. Yes, email office@bitboycrypto.com. I believe that's it. And then just say you're in town. You would love to come see the studio. You could tell them that you're from the CandleMafia. They'll probably yes, you can set it up. Email them. If it doesn't work, bring it up to me. Bear with me. Bring it up to me in the next stream or message me on Discord if it doesn't work out. But yeah, office@bitboycrypto.com. I think you could try to book a little tour. And maybe your tour will be guided by Mr. Frankie Candles. Hey, Frank, on shot. I'm good. Please say something about it. Love from South Africa. Hey, Frank, on shot. I'm good. Please say something about it. I don't know what you want me to say something about, but sweet man. You're a sweet man, and while we were reading that comment, you guys want a giveaway, so shout out to you, sweet man. You're good luck. Let's go. Shout out to sweet man. But yes, Mike, yeah, okay, we are just going to show up. Well, yeah, I emailed office at Bitboy Crypto. I don't know if security might not let you in unless you make an appointment. So definitely email them if you have a trouble. I will also check with what email you're supposed to. Funny picture. I could show. I'll put one in Discord. But yeah, will do. Yeah, send the email, and if it doesn't work, I'll find out tomorrow who you're supposed to email, or maybe I'll just let them know, and I'll let you know. We'll get it done. When are you in town till? Let me know. We'll get it done. There we go. Number 10. I think it says 11, but you guys got one for good luck. Let's go. Ash is from South Africa. Ash, we love Ash. And another giveaway, guys. Another one. That was 11. I gave you an extra one. One for good luck. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 giveaways today. Let's go. Shout out to you guys, the CandleMafia. With all that being said, guys, I do have to go film this BitBoy Crypto video. And but yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow at the same place, same time, 5:45, right after ATB. Thank you all for tuning in. Stay tuned for some great content. Please use your stop losses and good risk management. Be careful with the scammy price action that we've been seeing lately. Don't get wrecked or stuck in a short like I am right now. Up about 1.6% now. That's all I got, guys. I love each and every single one of you. So close to 20K. If you're not already subscribed, please go hit that subscribe button. Get us to 20K. We're going to do a pretty cool celebration party in the Discord for 20K. So look forward to that. That's all I got. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong. And we're back as always with some after show encores. Debate Crypto is live right now, guys. Go check them out. Go watch their stream. They're covering the news. They're covering the fundamentals. They're covering everything I don't cover. Go give them a like. Go drop some chats up in their live stream and let them know Frankie Candles sent you. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong.
Tyler Ramos.